Hello, my name is Josh Beasley, medium and heavy duty anchoring product manager for Hilti North America. Today, I am introducing the Kwik-X Dual Action Anchor, a revolutionary new anchoring technology that combines the performance of adhesive anchors with the installation speed of screw anchors. I'm going to walk you through the key features, applications, and installation steps for the new Kwik-X Dual Action Anchor. Kwik-X is a system that is comprised of an adhesive foil capsule and our Kwik-EZ screw anchor. It was specifically designed to function as an alternative to injectable adhesive anchors for the fastening of steel beams, columns, and machinery and cracked concrete and seismic applications. We know that your structural connections demand higher and more reliable performance. Adhesive anchors are a long-time trusted solution that offers the performance you need, but are reliant on multiple steps and accessories and are time-consuming to install, in turn, increasing project costs. For over 50 years, Hilti has been committed to providing world-class anchoring solutions, making anchoring safer, easier, and faster without sacrificing performance. Kwik-X is the next advancement on that journey. Kwik-X makes anchoring more efficient by providing the performance you need for safety-critical applications. It reduces the number of steps in the installation process that can lead to human error, and it eliminates the need for accessories like brushes, air pumps, and dispensers. These factors result in Kwik-X offering up to 4 times faster installation than traditional adhesive anchors, significantly reducing labor costs and saving you money. It offers immediate loading, which means no waiting around for curing. Overall, Kwik-X offers the best of both worlds, the performance of adhesive anchors and the speed of mechanical anchors. Installing Kwik-X is simple. Just drill, drop, drive, and you're done. The Kwik-X Dual Action Anchor, making anchoring safer, easier, and faster.